Hi Chiranjeevi, how are you?
Hello, sir. I'm fine. What about you?
I'm good too. Thank you.
Yeah.
Can you tell me what are the differences between list, tuple, set, and dictionary in Python?
Okay. So, in list, if we will say, so list is mutable
Hmm.
and tuple is not mutable.
Hmm.
Set is also mutable, but it is unordered. And dictionary is mutable and it is in the basis of key value pair. And
Hmm.
with Python 3, it is also ordered. Earlier, it was not ordered. In
Hmm.
Python 2, dictionary was not ordered. And
Okay.
if you will see in terms of execution,
Hmm.
so tuple are more faster to execute
Hmm.
as those are immutable. So memory management is fast and to traverse through the tuple, it is fast compared to other data type.
Correct.
And if you will see, list starts with square brackets
Hmm.
and tuple start with parentheses. Dictionary starts with curly braces
Hmm.
and sets also starts with curly braces.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Okay. So, okay. What is the difference between is and equal to in Python?
Sorry, what is the difference between
Is and equal to.
is?
Yeah, is. Yeah.
Yeah, equal to is the yeah, is the comparison operator.
Hmm. And what does is do?
Uh, is is I think there is it compares the instance of the object,
Hmm. Okay.
like is instance of.
Right. So let me share my screen. Let me tell you. See, is my screen visible?
No.
Not yet.
Yeah.
Yeah. See, is what it would do, it would check the object identity, right?
Yeah.
So if you have two variables and both of them are having the same memory, then you can go for is.
Okay.
Equal to is actually checking the value
Value. Yeah.
are same or not. So if you see this A is having 1, 2, 3, and B is equal to A, right? Now, if I say A is B, so this is true, since both are having the same object references. A
Mhm.
is equal to B is also true. Both are having the same values. A is C will be false, right? Since this is different and this is different, right? And A equal to C will be true because the values are same. So the values, so the difference is basically with respect to values as well as with respect to the uh,
Memory location.
references. Yes. Right. So
Okay.
that's the difference between is and equal to. Fine. Uh, okay. What is generator in Python?
Generator generate a sequence of object in Python.
Hmm.
So if we will see if on the go, if we will generate something, then it is faster in memory execution. So
Hmm.
generator does that. But if you will take if you will compare a list and also if we will pass the whole value in the list, then what it will do, so traversing is also difficult and it will consume a lot of memory and execution is slower. But in generator give it will give us an increment object, so depending on the time by time it will increment the object, so the execution is faster.
So can you write a simple program for generator in which you are using generator?
Not aware, sir,
Okay.
program.
No problem. No problem. Let me show you the code. See, you are telling no that the increment is happening. So it's on the same lines. Uh,
No, sir, it uses yield keyword.
yes, yield. Right. Perfect. So it's good that you are able to remember these things. See,
Hmm.
right? So yield values. So it will yield instead of returning all at once, right? So what it would do is it will increment, right? You are
Hmm.
having next gen. So it is incrementing your values when you are starting from greater than zero. So this is a while loop that you are going for, right? And it will print your n values, right? So that's how a simple logic you can write like this,
Okay.
right? Okay. Okay. How do you handle exceptions in Python?
So there is a try, accept, and finally block
Mm,
to handle exception. So suppose if there is one exception, means if we doubt that there will be exception in the code, so
mm,
that we will pass in the try block. So there are a lot of exception, like if you will see divide by zero exception.
mm-hmm,
So that will pass into the try block, and in the accept block we will just handle the exception and print it, and
mm-hmm.
finally is executed every time if means if the code is means if exception occurs or not occurs. So in the finally we will write the piece of code to return the result.
Okay. Okay. So how do you find, okay, let's say if you have to write the program to
Yeah.
find the second largest number in an array, how would you do that?
Second largest.
Second largest number in an array.
Okay.
So you have an array, let's say you have an array like this. Let me put it in the chat box. You have this as an array and you have to find the second largest number from an array.
Can I share my screen?
Yeah, yeah, please.
Please allow me.
Oh, no. Yeah, now is it?
Yeah. Hmm. Can you see my screen, sir?
Um, yes, it's visible. So second largest number you have to find.
So this one,
Mm-hmm.
like I will sort the array and return the minus to
Mm-hmm. Okay.
the negative
Okay.
side.
This is perfect. Now let's say you don't have to use any kind of this sorted array.
Okay.
Then what will you do?
So we have to write a
Let's say
logic.
if you want to write this program with for loop.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we have to write it.
Done?
Trying.
Yeah, no problem. No problem. Take your time. Someone is there at the door.
Yeah, yes, they will open. So it came. Just see
Mhm.
this logic with for loop.
Yeah, great, great, wonderful. So you're getting the output as 34.
Yeah.
Okay, great.
I mean, I'm able to do this, but taking some time. So I'm
No
thinking
problem.
the logic.
That's totally fine. Not an issue at all, right? The good thing is you're able to get the output, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now what
Sometimes
I
it
would
works, or sometimes does not work.
Okay. What I would suggest is whenever you get some program to write, you take
Mhm.
one pen and paper and you just try to come up with a flow chart or logic in that. Then you start writing the code. Okay. See if that helps you, right?
Okay.
It can be a good thing because it will tell you, okay, this is the logic. I want to go on the same line. I want to hit in the right direction. So that's the way that I would take, right? So those kind of things you can do, right? Okay. No worries at all. Uh, let's move to the next question then. Okay. How would you reverse a single linked list in Python?
Linked list, sir, I have not done. So I'm not aware of.
Okay, no problem. In linked list, basically you have got a node and you have got a head. Now you want to reverse that. So you can do it in the Python itself. Okay.
Okay. So
Uh,
there are link. Okay.
yeah, yeah.
There are linked lists in Python also, right?
Yes, yes, they are there.
I have to
Okay.
do that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Are you aware about sorted list in Python? Are you aware about list in Python?
Yeah, least time I was
Okay,
this.
okay. Then how would you merge two sorted list in Python? How would you merge that? You have got two. So,
The
yeah,
extend command, extend keyword. Yeah, sorry, method function.
not extend. You can go for append. You want to merge two sorted list,
But
right?
append will sir add it, right?
Sorry.
Append will add that list, no? But
Yeah, yeah,
extend.
append. Yeah. So you want to merge, right? There are two lists are there. One is A is equal to, let's say, 135. B is 246. You want to merge it. So what would be the output is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It would be sorted.
Okay.
So
A is
yeah.
135, B is
So try writing it. A is equal to 135, B is equal to 246. Okay. Now you want to merge the two sorted list. So first you have to sort them and then you have to merge them. Yeah, don't use this sorted thing. Use while loop. You can use if else. You can use for loop.
okay. So I have to sort it and merge it, right?
Yes, yes. You have to sort them. You have to merge them. Yes, so you are going in the right direction. You have applied for loop, okay. Then you are going for second for loop, okay. Instead of that, how about taking a while loop? Do you think while loop would be more easier here?
Equals to 0. So while loops are not available. I'm not getting the logic.
Okay, okay, no problem, no problem. Let me share the screen. See, this is how you'll write this loop, right? So you have got while I is less than length of A and J is less than length of B. So if A of I is less than B of J, right, then we will append. Else, if Okay, so else what we will do is, so here we will increment I and here we will increment J, right? And the return result you will get is A of I plus B of J. So this is your input and you'll get output like this after printing.
Okay, so directly you are merging it.
Yes, yes. Right,
So
so
if you
that's
will, if we'll extend it with B, suppose,
okay. So you are telling about extending. I think you are getting the output in that case as well.
means if we are extending it and then sorting that list.
Yeah, yeah, that is also fine. That will also work.
If I was
Mm.
thinking in that way.
Yeah, yeah, that's fine. Mhm.
Like, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Tell me, you're telling something?
Like, sir, if means what I was thinking was like, if we will extend it, so two list means we can
Mm.
make it a single list, and in the single list,
And
we
then you will sort then.
sort it.
Yeah, that's also fine. That's also the logic that you can do, right? Okay. Are you aware about graphs topic in Python?
These also we have to do like graphs and linked lists. Also, they're asking in interview.
Yeah, yeah, they might ask you, right?
Okay.
Or else these programs definitely that would come, right? Reversing the string or let's say you want to find the second largest number in an array, right? Those things you can study for now. I saw your IntelliJ IDE when you were sharing your screen, no? The
Yeah.
programs that you had written on the left side, you're
Yeah.
practicing. So that's fine. You can practice those programs. This is advanced level of topics. If you have prepared, then we can discuss them. But at
Okay.
least the topics which you are preparing, those should be done, right?
Yeah.
Okay, Chiranjeevi, thank you so much for connecting today. We'll connect next time for sure.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.